everyone, my Flower Knows box package has finally arrived and I'm so excited. It took a while for it to arrive, but it was worth the wait. Now let's open this pretty box. I got the Strawberry Cupid collection. Look how pretty this is. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see. These are so cute. Got new remover wipes. Got this beautiful pink bow. Another pretty pink bow. And here is the angled powder brush. And this right here is the liquid blush. And here's the cake lip cream. I've been seeing this all over the ads. I'm so happy I finally have one. It's so cute. Oh, and this is the heart-shaped marshmallow powder puff. That is cute. Oh, look. These are decorations. That's pretty. And here's the beautiful hand mirror that's in here. And last but not least, the makeup palette. Alright, let's look at the liquid blush. Oh, so pretty. And now, let's take a look at the makeup palette. Oh, that is beautiful. And let's see the Butterfly Cloud Color Collection, the angled powder brush. Cute. And let's look at this beautiful hand mirror. I've always wanted one of them. That is pretty. And our cake lip cream. This was literally blowing up on all the ads. So cute. I'm more than happy that I finally have one. And now let's open up this heart-shaped marshmallow powder puff. Super cute.